tools and storage equipment. In our workshop, we have storage equipment for tools like toolbox. We have toolbox which is portable. You can carry it from one place to another to a specific place to work. We have cabinets. Cabinets are used to store workshop, and we have tools right is here. You can see. You can use to store tools like blade, like blades. Here I have some tools which I'm going to discuss with you how to use it and how to store them. Here with me I have a screwdriver, the star one. I have pliers, and I have a digital multimeter. Our digital multimeter you can use to measure resistance, you can use to measure voltage, you can use to measure current, all those. And then you are supposed to measure when you are done with your work. You return them in the storage box, and there is these clothes which are used together with the multimeter. You will return them to the appropriate place to avoid the damage of the multimeter. Here I have pliers. Pliers, as you can see, pliers it serves different purpose. You can use to strip the wires. You can use to cut the wires, and for the screwdriver, this is a flat star screwdriver.